0.0785 because 3 significant figure. You start counting from the non-zero. If it is decimal, 6. They say where a given number containing a decimal start with 0, the first non-zero is the first significant figure. So this one starts with 0, 0.0. So the first non-zero is the significant. So we move 1, 2, 3. So the same rule. If it is greater than or equal to 5, please take note, it is not greater than 5. If it is greater than or equal to 5, if it is greater than or equal to 5, you round up. If it is less than 5, you round down or anyhow. So round up means add 1. This one means add 0. I think that is that. So there's another thing you need to take note about approximation. Whole number. You can approximate. There are so many things you need to know about approximation. The other part you need to know is for all these remaining part, you need to understand your place value. For example, let's say we have 20748. This is units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So if they say approximate to the nearest 100, which one is closer to 100? These two digit is closer to 100. So you look at this, the tens, that is the number closer to what they are telling you to approximate to 100. Let's look at 100 here. The first one that is closer to it is 4. Tens is closer to 100. So what is there? 4. Is it up to 5? No. Is it up to 5? No. So what will you do? I said you will. But in this case, you just put 0, 0. Put 0, 0. Do you get? So that is approximation to the nearest 100. So you will notice that when you want to call it, you just say 20,700. If they say approximate to the nearest tens. So this is tens. What is closer to it? 8 units. Is 8 more than 5? Yes. So you add 1 to this. So this one is 20,750. That is tens. When we have this, we also have for decimal point. Let's say we have 20.4568. 20.4568. This one is called tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th. So the difference between this and the decimal one and the non-decimal one is the addition of tenth. The addition of th. Do you get? So when they say approximate to the nearest tenth, so this is tenth. So in this case, you use after. So what is the next number after the tenth? That is 5. So you add 1 to this. So this one is 20.5. So there is the nearest tenth. If they say 100, what is the next number? 6. You add 1 to 5. So this one is 20.46. Nearest tenth. This one is nearest hundredth. I think I've tried explaining that. So that is not hard. If they say 0.048, convert to the nearest hundredth. You know this one is tenth. This one is hundredth. So the next one is 8. Since it is greater than or equals to 5, you add 1 to the previous one. So this is 0.05. This one is the nearest hundredth. So simple. So the next thing you need to know is conversion to the nearest whole number. So in most cases, you see question like this 20.487. Whole number simply means whole number is just a number that does not have any decimal point. So this 20.4887, for whole number, what you just do is that you look at the first digit after the decimal point. If it is more than 5, you add 0 to the last digit here. If it is more than 5, sorry, you add 1 to the last digit here. If it is not more than 5, or if it is less than 5, you add 0. So this one, is it less than 5? Is it less than 5? Yes. So you add 0. So the nearest whole number is 20. But what if we have 20.847? So this one is 8. So this one is 21. You add 1. I think that is all on that. So you guys should try this exercise. convert 20.4763 to 5 significant figure, 4 decimal places, and hundredth, hundredth, and nearest whole number. So try this just to show that you truly understand what I've told you. Thank